What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. And today, earlier this morning, YouTube recommended me this video right behind me here. This video is a video. It's on my other channel. And this other channel is like a travel channel. And this is like a 2-hour long walking video in London. And it's a really, really dope video. Like, I'm watching it right now and oh my gosh, I want to go to London so bad. And there's a couple of these like, 1 hour, 2-hour long walking videos. They're super cool. They're super dope. So I'll put a link down in the description below to this London video. I'm just walking around London. Look at that. This is like before coronavirus, yo. Look how cool life was back then. So I'll put a link down in the description. Go check it out. Go subscribe to the other channel. They're really, really cool to play in the background. Peace out, yo.